For all of us that's in love with the ageLOC Lumispa system and the amazing benefits it offers, then let's just remember that some of those benefits are actually because of the fantastic cleansers. So this video is going to pay attention to them. Cleansing your skin is, in my opinion, the most important step in your skincare routine. And I'm sure you are aware that different skin types exist. They each have specific needs, so make sure that you pick the right cleanser for your skin. With Lumispa, you can choose amongst 5 cleansers that, together with the device, will gently but thoroughly cleanse your skin. All of the cleansers, they are specifically formulated to have the ideal texture to provide that cushioning and necessary grip for your Lumispa device so that it can move gently but effectively across your skin. So that's actually why you should use one of our ageLOC activating cleansers together with your device. They're simply designed to be used together. As you might have figured out, we have ageLOC ingredients in the cleansers, hence why they are all called ageLOC Lumispa activating cleansers. That's actually some of Nu Skin's unique ingredient blends that target the visible signs of skin aging at the source. So that means that these unique ingredient blends will help leave your skin looking youthful and radiant. Like I mentioned, we have crafted the cleansers for specific skin types, which makes each cleanser just right for your skin. If you have dry skin, your skin might feel tight and uncomfortable after cleansing. And the Lumispa activating cleanser for dry skin can help your skin feel more comfortable. It contains a great blend of humectants, so moisturizing agents, such as sodium lactate, we have sodium PCA, glycine, we have squalane, we have niacinamide, so that's a form of vitamin B3. And this blend will help protect and maintain your skin's natural moisture balance to avoid any uncomfortable tightness. In addition to that, we have added ingredients that will also help soothe the skin. ageLOC Lumispa activating cleanser for normal to combo skin contains a blend of gentle cleansing agents. In its formula, you'll find cocoa betaine, that's derived from coconuts, and that is combined with glycerine. We've also added a blend of selected algae and plant extracts to really help balance the skin's natural moisture barrier. If you have oily skin, you want to focus on getting rid of that excess oil buildup that people with oily skin tend to have. ageLOC Lumispa activating cleansers for oily skin contains a combination of functional cleansing agents specifically for oily skin. And here we have coconut betaine, we have Japanese knotweed and pomegranate juice extract. And all of these ingredients will help leave your skin feeling clean and fresh. Sensitive skin can suffer from dryness after cleansing, and sometimes your skin might feel itchy or even sore. ageLOC Lumispa activating cleanser for sensitive skin is our most gentle cleanser. It's fragrance-free and it's formulated with mild surfactants, which results in low foam, and it is designed to thoroughly cleanse your skin whilst keeping dryness, itchiness and tightness away. It also contains a soothing blend of ingredients including oat kernel extract, that's a type of bark extract and it's actually what gives the product a bit of a pink color. Then we have bisabolol, which helps soothe delicate skin, and we also have allantoin, that's a plant extract that also helps condition the skin. So all in all, great ingredients for people with sensitive skin. For those of you that tend to get blemish or spots, we have a great solution. ageLOC Lumispa activating cleanser for blemish-prone skin is a mild fragrance-free formula that contains salicylic acid, a BHA, to help clear pores and reduce the appearance of skin breakouts. The cleanser is low foaming, again to avoid any additional skin irritation. And it contains carnosine, an ingredient that provides antioxidant protection. So just a really great cleanser if you're experiencing pimples and spots and breakouts on occasion. I think the takeaway point here is make sure you choose the right cleanser for your skin. And if you have any doubt about which cleanser to use, then you can check out our webpage where you'll find our Lumispa skincare quiz. That will, based on the answers you give, help you pick the right cleanser for your skin.